This is a blueprint of a robot, except it's not made out of metal, it's alive. Scientists call it a Xenobot, a human-made living and programmable thing capable of solving dozens of tasks. This is how it looks in reality. To see it, we have to zoom in. The Xenobot's name comes from his cell donor, a frog called Xenopus laevis. These little living machines are basically made out of frog embryos. We take the stem cells, those don't have a specific function yet. We let them multiply, and then we differentiate them into two needed functions: heart muscle cells for movement and skill cells for structure. And this is where AI comes in. It creates thousands of random blueprints, literally. It's called an evolutionary algorithm. A blueprint is made and the cells are arranged in the correct order. This is crucial because it's where the programming happens. The shape decides how the Xenobot will move and behave. The only catch: we don't know what each shape does before we make it. That's the point of the evolutionary algorithm. You test many different shapes to find the best ones. This tiny organism doesn't have nerves, it doesn't have a brain, and it doesn't think. All the programming simply works because of how cells behave when they're put into a specific shape. So actually, what we are looking at with a lot of hope is just a bunch of cells with no goal, no capability to eat, to reproduce. Actually, there is a way for them to reproduce. And it's a way, as far as we know, no other living organism has done before. It's called kinematic self-replication. The parental Xenobot gathers loose cells and forms them into a new Xenobot. Because this process depends on the availability of loose cells, it's not something they can simply continue indefinitely. This is crucial for their deployment and how they're planned to be used. There are some big expectations in the area of environment and mainly medicine. And it is crazy in both cases. The oceans are full of plastics and unfortunately also microplastics. It's an almost insolvable problem unless we manage to program those Xenobots to gather it into one place where it can be further transported. Or we could maybe use a plastic-eating bacterium. Watch my last video to learn more about it. And the Xenobot's potential services don't end there. In the future, these little bots could potentially deliver drugs directly where they're needed, or clean clogged blood vessels from plaque. Xenobots are still a very new technology dating back to 2020. Most work so far has happened using frog cells, but that doesn't mean this is where it has to stop. With genetic engineering and further research, we might eventually be able to push this technology much further. What we are looking at today is still just the beginning, a machine made from living cells, designed by an evolutionary algorithm, capable of moving, behaving, and even making new Xenobots using loose cells. And if scientists manage to control these living machines well enough, the question isn't just what they can do today, it is what they may be capable of doing tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, you can watch another here. If you're new to the channel, click here to subscribe. I'm making new videos every week. And make sure to comment good if you like this style and bad if you didn't. Tell me what was bad. This is more valuable than a like.